Snickerdoodle Cookies is Jasmine and I's favorite tasty treat. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a batch from scratch. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diet, and welcome to Turtle's Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. In today's episode, I'm excited to bring for you a cookie dough recipe made from scratch. Now let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 375 degrees. For the cookie dough ingredients, you will need 1 cup of butter, a half cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 3/4 teaspoons of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. For the cinnamon sugar mixture, you will need 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. We're going to start by adding 1 cup of butter to our mixer. Next, we're going to add our granulated sugar, and we're going to go ahead and cream our butter with our sugar. Putting our mixer on low, we're going to go ahead and mix it up. Now we're going to add our brown sugar to our cookie dough batter. Now I'm going to add my eggs to our cookie dough. I like to crack my eggs into a separate bowl just in case there is a bad egg. So our ingredients call for 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. So I'm going to do that in a separate bowl. And to get the egg yolk only, I'm going to move my egg back and forth so that the egg white can fall out and I'm just left with an egg yolk. Now I'm going to take my egg yolk and go ahead and pour it into my egg bowl. And these egg and egg yolk, I can pour it into our cookie dough batter and mix it up. Now to add our vanilla. Now I'm going to go ahead and scrape down the sides of my bowl just so that I can make sure all of this is fully incorporated together. Now we're going to add our baking soda, salt, cream of tartar, and cinnamon to our cookie dough. And now we're going to add our flour to our cookie dough a little at a time. Now I'm going to increase the speed on my stand mixer to medium for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to scrape down the sides of our bowl one final time. And now to mix it up on medium for 30 more seconds. Now let's go ahead and remove all of our cookie dough off of our paddle into our bowl. Now that our cookie dough is all mixed together, we're going to take an ice cream scoop, which will allow for your cookies to all be the same size. We're going to scoop out our cookie dough and place it onto our baking sheet. We're going to place our cookie dough about 2 inches apart. we're ready to go ahead and make our cinnamon sugar. We're going to add our cinnamon to our sugar, and with a spoon, go ahead and mix it up. This is going to be used to roll each cookie dough ball into. Now for my favorite part. I'm going to take each ball of cookie dough and I'm going to roll it into our cinnamon sugar and place it back onto our baking pan. In order for our Snickerdoodles to bake up but still have that flat look, I'm going to go ahead and put my thumb into each cookie. Time to put our cookies into the refrigerator for 20 minutes to chill. Now that our cookie dough has chilled for 20 minutes, we can place it in the oven for 10 minutes. Take our cookies out of the oven and let them cool for 1 minute on the baking sheet. Now we're ready to take our cookies off of our baking sheet and place them on our cooking rack and let them completely cool. And now to taste our tasty treat. Yummy. I'll see you in the next one and subscribe for more.